welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to hook up this HDMI video capture card. So if you have a gamer or if you just want to record your any of other devices that uses HDMI and then use your computer to capture the gameplay or anything like that, or video play, or anything that you would like to capture by using the HDMI connection. And I'm going to teach you guys on how to set everything up. And today I'll be using the OBS broadcast software to help you guys how to set this up completely. So if you don't have OBS software, you will need to either download for your MacBook or your PC. So let's go ahead and do that. I will do a screen capture on how to do that step by step. It's pretty easy and simple. And then after that, you need to do some adjustment on your computer or setting. So the main purpose I purchased this is because I have a VCR tape that I need to transfer, but lucky my VCR tape that has a HDMI connection, so which is allow me to record in a better resolution. And I'm gonna use my PC to do this. You need to have a faster processor. If your computer is too old or anything like that, it's gonna lag or do some kind of skipping. I tried to use on my wife's MacBook Air to record, and it was like stutter or skipping or lagging. So be sure you have a right computer to do this, or else mainly you're gonna have a good video cards. And if your video card is processing too slow, then it's gonna skip. So let's go ahead and show you guys the clip. Alright, so if you have a karaoke machine like this, here's a connection like this, it's not gonna work for you, okay? There's no HDMI connection. Or this old school has a VHS and then a DVD. And this one does not have HDMI output. It's not gonna work. Also with this PlayStation, the old school, they use the RCA jack like this, and it's not gonna work. This one's the PS3 Slim on the back. Yes, HDMI connection right there, so this one's gonna work. So this one is the Panasonic DMR EZ485V, which is allow you to transfer VHS to DVD. Okay. Due to the VHS tape, that one is copyrighted, so you will not allow me to directly copy to a DVD disc. So that's why I had to purchase that HDMI video capture adapter in order to do this. So there's a HDMI connector right there. We're gonna connect that one in. Which is this one right here. And then I already hook up this to the USB port already, okay? So I just opened the Google browser. If you have a Safari or your Internet Explorers or your Firefox or other browser, you could just go there and then search OBS Studio. I'm going to click on that. And then click on the first one, which is obsproject.com. And then there you go. You got the Windows version, Mac OS 10.13 Plus, or Linux. This is 100% free and open source software for video recording and live streaming. Download and start streaming quickly and easily on Windows, Mac, or Linux. So mine is Windows. I'm just going to click on Windows and it's going to automatically download on the lower left hand side. There you go. On the lower left hand side, it says OBS Studio 25.0.8. And then after that, you're just going to double click that exe file. Or if you have the DMG file for your Apple's iMac or MacBook, you're going to double click on that and it's going to automatically open it up and then start installing. So since I already installed mine already, I'm just going to stop from here and then I'm going to open it up and show you guys the tutorial. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so here we go. So right now, currently we are on the display capture, which is right here. You want to go ahead and then click on the plus sign and you're going to scroll down to video capture device. So you can create new, you can name it whatever you want. And then I'm just gonna press OK. Okay, because if you have a camera, this is what's gonna show right here. And then under device, you're going to scroll down and make sure you select USB video. Oops, I'm not sure why it's on Cyberlink. So click on USB video. And then you're going to press OK. Since I already done that already, I'm not going to do that again. So I'm going to press cancel. I'm going to delete the video card that I just added, which is I don't need. If you need to delete it, you just click on the minus sign right here. And it will ask, are you sure you wish to remove video capture device 2? Then click on yes. So now I'm going to go click on the video capture device. Or just use the arrow going down. Currently we're on the video capture device. So now I'm going to turn on my VHS or the VCR player. And then I'm going to click on play. So there you go. It says VHS cassette play. And there you go. But be sure to click on start recording. Since I'm already recording right now because I'm doing screen recording. So, and then after you finish recording, you want to go ahead and press stop. So after that, you could just go to your video folder and then pull out whatever you want, whatever you just record. And so it's going to automatically play. Oops. I click on the wrong file because currently this file is what I'm recording right now. Is that this one right here? So it's automatically playing. I'm gonna skip it to the end. All right, and even have that sound. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.